Hello everyone, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to share whiteboard on Zoom meeting app. So guys, if you want to share your whiteboard and if you want to teach your student by drawing or by your skills, then this video is for you. So guys, what you have to do here is you have to go to Zoom application here. So after going, this is your Zoom, so I will show you the whiteboard sharing option, how you can do that. So guys, what you have to do here, let us just create a new meeting here and then just click on start a meeting option. So now let's wait until it connect to the meetings, because it takes a while second for connection. So let's wait. So guys, you can see here my meetings has been started. So if I want to share my meeting code, then I have to click on participant, and then you can see here invite option. So just click on invite and then you can share the option. So now guys, if you want to share your whiteboard on the screen on the screen, then what you have to do is you can see here you will find an option, share option. So you have to just click on this share option here. So after clicking the share option, you can see here share whiteboard. Just click on the share whiteboard and then you can just click on this pencil icon, and you can see here this is something awesome. It's very cool, and the other colleagues or your friends will be seeing this um, virtual, you can see here. So this is something cool and you can apply it on your meetings also. And thanks for watching guys, please hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.